What happens when you restrict someone on Instagram? I'm going to show you what will happen, right? So ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Head over to your Instagram, right? Let's say if for any reasons you love to restrict someone, right? What you're gonna do right now, at first, you're gonna click on this three dotted icons, right? You're gonna see the restrict, right? So this is what is gonna happen if you restrict the person. You would at first get like you would limit his interactions, right? Read this, limit unwanted interactions with having to block or unfollow someone, You control if others can see their name comment on your post. They are trying to be moved to your message request so they won't see when you have read it, right? So if you want to restrict it, you just click on this restrict account. This is what's gonna happen whenever you restrict someone on Instagram. If you find this video, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.